Guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Today I'll be discussing about the GK and GS one-liner questions, that is part 63. I request you guys to check playlist. You will find up to part 62 in a chronological order, which are very useful for all competitive examinations, that is SSC, defense and central government jobs. Lignite is popularly known as brown coal. Please remember what exactly the black gold is. Coal is known as black gold, but in this anthracite, as you can see to the right side, it is the purest form of the carbon, where you will find maximum 95% of carbon you will find in the anthracite. Here the brown coal is, lignite is the one which looks in brown color, that is brown coal. Here you can see black coal, which are used in thermal power corporation sectors. The yellow color of cow milk is due to the chemical present, that is casein. Because of this casein chemical in the cow milk, that is the reason why it looks yellow. Why the carrot looks yellow? There is a chemical, that is carotene, which is present in that. The botanical group of plants onion belongs to, that is what exactly you have to remember. The botanical group of plants onion belongs to Liliaceae. This is what exactly Liliaceae is the one the botanical group of plants onion belongs to. The sample of water which contains soluble salts of calcium and magnesium is hot water. What are the hot water we have? Deuterium oxide. In that, what exactly the elements it has got? Those are calcium and magnesium. We will find the calcium in bones and the magnesium in leaves. Next we have the role of heavy water in an atomic reactor is used as a moderator. We knew that whatever the cryogenic engines, we use the heavy water, as well as this heavy water is used in atomic reactors as a moderator. The H-shaped excretory system, you can see to the right side how exactly the shape of this roundworm is H-shaped excretory system. Nematode excretory system, structure and significance. This is what exactly you have to remember. That will be in the shape of H. You will find this type of H-shaped excretory system in the nematodes, that is roundworm. The following is real fish. We knew that seahorse, that is one thing you have to remember, that is a real fish, one of the real fish you have to remember. The gas is responsible for the rising of bread is carbon dioxide. Please remember guys, which is responsible for the rising of bread? How the bread is raised? With the help of carbon dioxide. It can only be raised or produced. The essential production of IC chip of computer. We knew that whatever the computer integrated circuit chip of the computer, that is heart of the computer, is also known as IC chips. These are all microprocessor we have. They are all heart of the computers, and the brain of a computer is CPU. Here whatever the IC chips have been made with the help of silicon. If you remember what exactly the glass had been made, glass is a one super cool liquid which consists of sand as well as silicates. You have to remember. So this silicon is used for the manufacture of IC chips. The following flowering plants has biggest flower in size. In the world, the biggest flower is, as you can see to the right side how exactly the flower looks like. One of the biggest flower in the world, that is Rafflesia. This is the one of the biggest flower you have to remember, Rafflesia. The apparatus is used for withdrawing a definite volume of a liquid. We knew that whenever we are doing experiment in chemistry lab, we have gone through Barrett and pipette. So we have to remember what exactly the role of pipette is, what exactly the role of Barrett is. So here, if you want to take out the exact level of the water, it is mandatory you have to use pipette. You have to suck with the nose, with the mouth, and you have to take out with the finger. I think you had done some experiments in the chemistry lab. That is, pipette is mandatory for the withdrawing a definite volume of a liquid. The growing plant under soil less condition is called hydroponics. What exactly the hydroponics stands? The growing plant under soilless condition is known as hydroponics. In that there is no soil is used. The only thing is used is water. That is hydroponics. Elephantiasis is caused by biting of the Culex mosquitoes. We knew that whatever the diseases caused by the mosquitoes, they are all protozoan type. As we are aware that there is a disease named as elephantiasis. This is caused by the biting of the mosquito named as Culex mosquitoes. Please remember, the vector which carries the elephantiasis is Culex mosquitoes. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends. More than 1000 has been given in the playlist. You can have a look. This is my Telegram, Defense ICTA. You can join in it if you want for the more. This is the playlist, how exactly it has been segregated into various playlists which are beneficial for all competitive examinations. DDT stands dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. This is what exactly to be remembered. DDT, dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. This is what exactly the abbreviation of DDT, dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. Pimpri in Maharashtra is associated with what? Antibiotic factory. We knew that in India the maximum production of antibiotics takes place in Rishikesh, but whatever the Pimpri, which is located in Maharashtra, famous for the antibiotic factory. The Mughal emperor gave land for construction of Golden Temple at Amritsar. We knew that Guru Nanak is the first, Guru Govind is the last, Guru Arjan Dev is the fourth, Guru Ramdas is the fifth one. So what exactly to be remembered is Guru Ramdas, who have been gifted by Amritsar, had been gifted by Akbar. That is, to Guru Ramdas it has been given. So Guru Ramdas was the founder of the Amritsar city. My intention is to tell this story is, you have to remember, Akbar had gifted this land of Amritsar to the Guru Ramdas, who is the founder of Amritsar. So that is the reason he had been called as the founder of Amritsar, Guru Ramdas. But who had gifted? Akbar. In a cell, the endoplasmic reticulum is the main center of protein synthesis. Please remember, whatever in the cells, the endoplasmic reticulum is the main event of, that is, protein synthesis. Please remember what exactly the protein synthesis is. In a cell, the endoplasmic reticulum is the main control center for the protein synthesis purpose. The inflation implies, whatever the inflation we have, that implies the rise in general price index. Please remember what exactly the inflation is. Here, the rise in general price index is the inflation. In agricultural practices, the best quality of fruits is maintained and propagated by the hybridization and selection process. So what exactly to be done in this hybridization process? The maximum best quality of fruits is maintained and propagated, and the production will be taken place in the hybridization process. The best method of improving the nutritional quality of pulses, that is by the soaking and sprouting. This is one method for the improving nutritional quality of pulses. As you can see to the right side, how exactly the sprouts are sprouted, soaked and made as sprouts. The elimination of human misery, Gautam Buddha recommended Ashtangika. We knew that whatever the misery of Gautam Buddha, it has been recommended by Gautam Buddha, that elimination of human misery by Ashtangika procedure only. Please remember Ashtangika procedure. The South American country that has an ethnic Asian as its president is Chile. We knew that the South American country that has an ethnic Asian as its president is Chile. The Camel Festival, you can see to the right side how exactly celebrated in Rajasthan. The place is Jaisalmer, where the Camel Festival is celebrated. The substitute for milk from the point of view of nutritional value is cereals. Please remember here, whatever the substitute for milk from the point of view of nutritional value is cereals. The disputed Black Sea fleet was divided between Ukraine and Russia. Please remember, whatever the disputed Black Sea fleet was divided between Ukraine and Russia, it has taken place. Whatever the dispute, Black Sea fleet was divided between Ukraine and Russia. The term refers to the process of scooping the soil and blowing it away in arid areas. We knew that inflation, what exactly the deflation. Here the term refers to the process of scooping the soil and blowing it away in arid areas, that is deflation. The city Ayodhya is located on the river, that is Saryu. We knew that whatever the city, that is Ayodhya, is located on the river Saryu. You can see to the right side how exactly on the Saryu river the Ayodhya city is situated. The fifth story of Qutub Minar was added by Iltutmish. We knew that the foundation stone laid by the Qutubuddin Aibak for the Qutub Minar, but it has taken near about long time, and the fifth story building had been constructed by the Iltutmish. He is the father of Razia Sultana. After his coronation, Shivaji assumed the title of Chhatrapati. We knew that Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, which exactly will be called Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj for the Shivaji. After the coronation, he had taken the title of Chhatrapati. The contents of Allahabad pillar inscription of Samudragupta were written by, we knew that the details regarding Samudragupta were inscribed from the Allahabad inscription only. Those inscriptions were made by Harisena. That you have to remember. Harisena had made those inscriptions. The river is well known for changing its course frequently. As you can see to the right side how exactly the river Damodar, which is also known as Bengal Sasaro, which takes place changing course frequently. That is what you have to remember. The policy of price control in market was launched by Alauddin Khilji. He was the main one who had formulated the policy of price control in the market. The term devaluation means, we knew that what exactly the valuation and devaluation. Here the devaluation, it means reducing the value of a currency in terms of another currency, which is known as devaluation. So I hope all these bits will be helpful for you guys. If you want a PDF of GK and GS, you can call me on 7667302252, or you can message me your friends. Really guys, this is one thing I just want to tell, that maximum information regarding all competitive examinations have been compiled from various sources. You can directly go through my YouTube channel. This will be very helpful for you people, for your friends and family members. Share it to everyone. That can be useful for all competitive exam. Have a good day. Have a great life guys.